In this Adobe InDesign lesson, we will continue to work with objects. This lesson is still in lesson 4 as it is a continuation from yesterday's lesson. And we are working on a 4-page newsletter. We'll add text and images and make several modifications to the objects in this frame. In this design, the graphics frame is quite wide enough to show the entire logo. And this is what we did yesterday. So we'll widen it to reveal the hidden portion. As you can see, encircled and there's an arrow there. We'll drag the center right handle so the entire logo is visible. Let's do this. With the use of the selection tool, go to your selection tool. The entire logo is now visible. So you need to drag that handle towards the right side to make our logo visible. So when we're done with that, we can choose edit and deselect all the selections, and we can save this step for now. What we're gonna do here is to import the logo graphic without creating a graphics frame, as we are going to place a graphic without an existing frame. Firstly, we'll zoom into this part of the document. As you can see there, choose the File menu and then click the Place button. And we'll be able to see the Place dialog box. Choose log_paths.ai. The pointer changes to a loaded graphics after you click Open. So we'll place the logo here. Then we can simply deselect all and save. Now in placing multiple graphics in a grid of frames, we're actually adding 6 photos and arrange them in a grid at the same time. So we'll choose File menu and Place again. In the Place dialog box, we'll select 6 images. First, click the 01janq.tif file, and while pressing the Shift key, click the 06hanaB.tif, and we'll be able to choose all 6 of them, and then we can click the Open button. So next we have to position the loaded graphics icon in these columns. As we can see, there are 3 columns. Drag down towards the right margin. Press the up arrow key once and right arrow key twice. As we press the arrows, the proxy image changes to grid of rectangles to indicate the layout of the grid. So we'll continue dragging and then release the mouse button. A grid of 6 graphics frames displays the 6 photos we placed. So we can deselect all again and save this particular step. I hope that we have learned something about creating and modifying graphics frame today. We'll continue to design this newsletter in our next meeting. Thank you.